Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make gallery building in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make basic shape with rotated rectangle. We can set this origin. We can set this rotated rectangle from the origin with a length of the building is around 30 meter. Okay, then so we can set the basic shape with a rotated rectangle. Then we can set the 30 millimeter, 30,000 millimeter. So we can then set the weight around 15,000 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make a thickness of this floor. We can set the thickness around 300. Then we can make group. So then we can make a component. We can move it to the upper position and duplicate it. We can move it around 4,000 millimeter, and we can make 3 or 2 floor anyway. Duplicate it again. Okay, and after that, maybe we can turn off the shadow first, and after that we can make basic shape of the facade, the exterior shape of this building anyway. We can use rectangle. Anyway. Then we can set the length about it. We can adjust with the scale, and then we can adjust this with the scale also for 3 side. Okay, and then we can set the exterior envelopes. Okay, we can use 2-point arc, and we can set from this position. And we can draw to this position approximately. Okay, just like this. So then we can continue it manually. So then we can continue it again, and we can finish it. Okay, it's just basic shape of this building envelope anyway. So we can erase some unnecessary plane. We can select this and right click erase. Then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. We can erase it. So we can duplicate it to the another position by select move and press Ctrl. Okay, we can just offset it inside. We can offset inside or outside. Maybe we can offset outside around 1,000 millimeter. So we can make the line in the bottom position of the basic shape of the building envelope anyway. Okay, just like this. So then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, then we can duplicate it again to make a glass for upcoming step anyway. So we can delete it, erase, then we can erase unnecessary line as we want. And after that we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back like this, and we can make the overstack. We can make the extension about the envelope around 1,000 millimeter, and on the front 1,000 millimeter also. Okay, then we can just make group. We can just make it group, and we can explore the floor. We can adjust the floor anyway. We can adjust the floor up approximately we can push it to the another side as proportional as possible anyway. We can set it to the envelope. We can set it. So we can set it. Sorry, we have to complete it. We have to fix it. Then we have to fix it. Or maybe we can make the mezzanine. Maybe we can make the mezzanine floor arrangement. Maybe for example we can make this mezzanine floor, so it would be a semi-split level floor over there in this area. It would make the another impression. It would make the another impression of this room itself anyway. Okay, just like this. So we can make the floor thickness. Maybe we can set the thickness around 1000 millimeter and push it down 700 millimeter and push it down 700 millimeter more. And about it also. Okay, and then we can make a support or column in this area. We can use a circle, for example. We can set any size of the column, so we can push it up. We can place to the another position anyway. We can place to the another position like this, and also in this position. We can use a scale to adjust it. Then we can set another. Okay, it's all about it. It's just for example. It's just for example anyway. Just for basic concept of this gallery. Just basic concept of this gallery, not for detail or following the standard, but it's just for basic shape and room impression of this gallery. So I suggest you to develop this basic concept again, to following the standard and following the technical drawing about the stair and floor elevation to more detail. So then we can select this. Okay, we can select this plane. We can select this plane, and then we can make it glass anyway. We can make it group, and we can adjust with the glass material. We can use it. Okay, so then we can push it to the back, or maybe we can push it to the front again. We can push it again around 500 millimeter. Okay, just like this. Then we can push it again around 500 millimeter more. Okay. Then we can push it front again 500 millimeter more. Then we can make a component of it, just create it, and then we can move it to the another position, to the reverse position, like this. Okay, and after that, we can make the arrangement of this glass. We can use protected. We can use a protector anyway, just like this. Okay, then we can set it from the edge to the edge. Okay. it's just for example. We can move, duplicate, and place on this position, and we can type 40 slash. Okay, so the distance between the guideline around 1000 millimeter or 1 meter length. Okay, and after that we can make the entrance. We can make the entrance with the line, and we can set the entrance door are around 4000 millimeter, and 4 meter for the entrance area. Then we can push offset it outside to make the point of interest about the entrance. Okay, we can just make it, can make it group, then we can push it to the bottom position anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the another line. We can make the another line on the curtain wall anyway. We can make the another line on the curtain wall. We can use protector again. We can use a protector again, and we can make it parallel with the green axis. So we can measure the distance. Okay, we can measure the distance. It's okay. We can move it 2000. We can move it like this, and we can type 15 slash, or maybe we can type 7 slash. So it's just like this anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the pattern of this curtain wall anyway. We can follow the guideline. We can just follow the guideline with the line. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can select it. Okay, we can select the line one by one, and we can select it. So we can move and duplicate it and place on the another guideline. Then we can type X40, so it will be automatically arranged. Then we can erase it with erase tool. We can erase some unnecessary line over there, so it will be automatically deleted. Okay. Okay, and then for the bottom position anyway, we can also erase it. Okay, and then we can make the another line. We can make the another line with any position, but don't place on the glass object. We can place on the outside of object for the first step. Then we can select move. So then we can select on the upper position. We can move to on the upper position. Then we can make it parallel with the glass. Okay. And after that we can move and duplicate it in the horizontal guideline, and we can duplicate it to the horizontal guideline also. Then we can type X9 for example. So we can delete the unnecessary line with erase tool, or just select all of this unnecessary line with the left click, select all, delete. Okay, and then we can delete the unwanted line anyway. So we can delete unnecessary guideline over there. Okay, and after that we can make the another variation of this curtain wall. We can make the another variation of this curtain wall with the another color. We can select the color. We can select the white color right here. Okay, maybe just white or gray, a little bit gray, so we can explore about the so we can adjust the material as we want anyway. Okay, we can make the more attractive arrangement of this uh, window as simple as this. We can make the any arrangement, make sure that it will be attractive, make sure it will be attractive design of this exterior look, because it's so important to make the first impression when all of you bring it to the presentation anyway. Okay, you then just continue it. Okay, and then you can inactive the address of model to check it out. Okay, and then we can select this glass, then we can adjust the color of the glass itself. So we can select the facade again, then we can select the we can adjust the opacity anyway. We can adjust the opacity or many more as we want anyway. Okay, it's just like this. And maybe we can just adjust this entrance gate. And adjust this entrance gate with the another style. We can use a 2-point arc anyway. We can use 2-point arc to make it more better than before. Just like this. And we can set it again. Or it's too bad to make it. I think it's better one. So then we can select another color of it. And then we can set this position, and also we can set this position. We can adjust this line anyway. Okay, and then we can offset it inside to make arrangement of this signage itself. It will be better than before anyway. Okay, so then we can delete some unnecessary plane over there. Then we can also set the material with this material. For example, then we can set the darkness anyway. We can set the darkness, and then we can also set the ceiling material. We can use the color, we can select the ceiling, or we can make a new material with okay, just like this. Okay, and we can adjust it to make more brightness than before. Okay. So we can set the color of the ceiling material just like this. Then we can set the color of this exterior. Maybe it just look more darkness. Okay, I think it's enough. We can we can set the opacity anyway. We set the opacity to make it more representative. Okay, then we can make the another landscape area anyway. We can make the another landscape area. We can push it down and make group, and then we can make the landscaping over there. Make the landscaping be just like this. We can make a landscape just like this anyway, just for a simple landscape anyway. We can just with the landscape material with the vegetation grass. Okay, so then we can add more component with the component. Then we can add the three component with this. Then don't forget to adjust the material of the tree with the green color anyway. Okay, so then we can set the opacity and set the color of the tree and push it down to make it more smaller than before. So then we can move and duplicate it, and place it on the appropriate position as we want anyway. Okay, we can just see this. Okay, it's just for a basic example anyway. It's just for a basic example. Then we can set up another landscape more in this area. You can just duplicate it and move and press Ctrl place on this position anyway. So then we can select the landscape area with the green material, and also we can set the people component with this. It just for illustration to make it more livable atmosphere on over there. Okay, and after that maybe we can set the shadow. Can set the shadow over there. Then we can adjust the shadow with the shadow option over there. We can close some option. Okay, just like this. Okay, this is about the gallery anyway. So then we can adjust the envelopes material again. We can select this all of curve line of the front. Then we can select a move, press Ctrl. We can place on this position, and we can type 8 slash. and okay, it's done anyway, and it's done, so it look more representative enough than before anyway. Okay, maybe we can try to flip it along with the right axis anyway, so it look more representative than before. Or maybe we can add more landscaping element over there. I can use this tool to make it more better. So we can add some tree on this another position over there. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from this video, and I tell you again, it's just a basic concept for the development design and standard. You can follow the available standard of the architectural, structural, and mechanical or another architectural element. Okay, hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.